Good morning and welcome to day 4. So I just ran into Albertsons because we have some leftover pasta at home, so I thought it would be fun to make like a baked ziti. So I grabbed some mozzarella, some ricotta, some pepperonis to throw in there, so that way I could just prep it, throw it in the refrigerator, and then throw it in the oven, and that's just like an easy peasy dinner. Lay down. Oh, good girl. Here you go. Here you go. So Costco has been out of the bully sticks we get her. Where are you gonna go with that? Where are you gonna go with that? Oh, she's so excited. So when I was at the store, I decided to try to see if they had something for her. Oh, she's so funny. And they had a stuffed shin bone. So it said it's long lasting, so we'll see how long this lasts. But she's so excited. Yes, she is. Together this baked ziti. How much pasta I have to work with. In here I have ricotta, mozzarella, garlic powder, oregano, and then we're gonna add 2 eggs that I beat together. And then we are just gonna mix it all up. Oops, I forgot the Parmesan. So it's at about a half a cup. Just gonna eye it here. That looks good. And now we're just gonna layer it, starting with some sauce. Now let's add some pasta. Now we'll add some ricotta. Now let's do a little more sauce. And the rest of the pasta on top. More sauce, a little more ricotta, and then we're just going to add some pepperonis, and then top that with mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to cover it with tin foil and stick it in the fridge. Now it's ready to put in the oven just like this, and at the very end we'll take the top off to crisp it all up. We have coffee in our fridge, and we have coffee in our fridge because we like to make a pot of coffee, have a hot cup of coffee, and then stick it in the fridge, and then you have iced coffee for later, maybe for the next day, maybe 2, but you're not wasting any coffee. And I love iced coffee. Oh my gosh, I just threw my robe on. It's so chilly. I can't believe what a crazy difference in temperature is from last week to this week in California. I have to change over the laundry, so I threw on my robe and like some fuzzy slippers. I'm so cold. I've just been doing house stuff and editing videos for you. I thought maybe tonight I would share with you my nighttime routine and how I take off my makeup and stuff like that, little tips and tricks that I do, because I keep it pretty simple, which means that I'm not spending a lot of money. And sorry, I still have Christmas stuff outside. Christmas stuff is just everywhere. By the end of the week, I should have it under control. Okay, so nighttime routine, I always start by taking my lashes off. These ones I have been using for maybe like a week and a half or so. So they're getting to the point where I almost need to change them. I could probably get a couple more wears out of these, but I just leave them like this. I don't clean them off because I just use them every day. There's no need to clean them off. I'll just peel off the glue right before I put more glue on. So these will just go over here. Now, when I get ready for bed, I always take a shower for multiple reasons. One, I like to get into my clean bed being clean because I feel like it makes my sheets last longer, and I don't know, I just like it so much better. And then also when I wash my face outside of the shower, just like water just drips everywhere. I feel like I pretty much take a shower when I do that, so I might as well just get in the shower to take off all my makeup. So the first thing I do when I get in the shower is actually take off my makeup. Now, I used to use the Almay makeup pads and just use those, but sometimes you run out and you're like, what am I supposed to do? So I used to use like my Cetaphil lotion that has like no scent. That would take off my eye makeup. And then I started using coconut oil. So this is actually empty. It doesn't have the actual Almay pads in it. It has coconut oil. So I take my eye makeup off with coconut oil. I put a little bit on my hands, and then I just massage my eyes just a little bit. And then I'll kind of bring it around, and then I will like wipe my face of it. And then the coconut oil kind of just gets everywhere else, kind of like taking off the rest of my makeup. And then I kind of just let it sit there because of the coconut oil. I feel like it's just like good for the skin while I wash with a loofah and Dove soap. And then to completely clean my face, I used to use a product from Target. It was like the Target brand, the Up and Up brand. It kind of mimicked Proactive just a little bit because I was obsessed with just the feeling of exfoliation. So I loved the exfoliating bead that face cleaner had in it, and then the toner and all that stuff, and then the lotion you put on the end that kind of like dries you out. I'm sure you've tried it, and I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. But I don't know what made me change my ways. I just felt like that couldn't be good for your skin. Like all those harsh chemicals, like, I don't know, I just wanted to kind of be like a little bit more natural, I guess. So I just started washing my face with the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser, and I absolutely love it. I used to get, like, when I would buy my lotion, I'd buy Cetaphil lotion. When I buy my lotion, you'd get a little one of these free, and I would never use it. I would just like throw it away because I'm like, I don't need this, whatever. But I had one lying around, and I was like, you know what? Let me just give it a try. So, like I said, I'm obsessed with exfoliation. I'm still obsessed. So what I do is I got this little, I don't even know what to call it, but it has texture right here, and this can stick onto the wall. But I just put the little Cetaphil lotion on top of here, and then I just clean and exfoliate. It gives me the exfoliation effect that I need to make me feel like I'm cleaning my face, and it does clean my face, and I love it. And I have been loving my skin. I have a few breakouts here and there every once in a while. It just happens. But my skin is basically the same, if not better, than when I was using the other products. So I'm like, hey, first of all, this is cheaper. Second of all, I think it's way less harsh on my skin. And third of all, it's super easy, and I don't have to take a bunch of stuff with me when I travel. Like, I had 3 things that I had to take with me all the time. Now I just can get a little bottle of this and travel with it, and it's like the best thing ever. And then from there, I'm done with my shower. I don't wash my hair at night. If I sleep with wet hair, my hair is just always so funky, and you can never really like get it right. So I just never wash my hair at night. And then I get up and I'm all clean and ready to go. I never ever really take like a morning shower. I don't really need to. If I'm going somewhere, I'll just put my makeup on and do my hair and get dressed and go. If I'm going to work out clothes, go work out, because I'm gonna shower after my workout anyway, so why would I shower before my workout? So anyways, that just really works for me. That's my nighttime routine. And it's really simple, and there's not a lot to it, super basic, but I love it. As far as skincare goes, after I get out of the shower, I don't really do a whole lot, but sometimes I do put vitamin E under my eye and around like my brow bone. And then if I ever do have like a breakout situation and I wanna like take care of it and like make it go away real fast, I found this Serious Skincare Continuously Clear. I did a class on this. It's flippin' amazing. It's brilliance in a bottle if you ever have any like breakouts. I just love it so much. I'll put the link for this so you can go watch the class on that, because this stuff is like a lifesaver, and on occasion, it's definitely necessary. So that's it. That's my nighttime routine. So I'm gonna take a shower and do exactly what I just told you I do. And then I'm gonna grab a bottle of water and go to bed. But before going to bed, I'm gonna set my alarm for 7:26 so I can get up and go work out. I'll see you tomorrow. On the menu tonight are steaks, and we're gonna do a little taste test because one of these was $19.99 a pound and the other one was not. It's from Costco. So we're gonna see what the difference is, cooking them the same. But to go with the steaks, I'm gonna make some smashy garlic potatoes. Water's boiling, we're getting it boiling. Thanks to Lori who shared the recipe with me. I'm excited.